Well, revenue and sales, I believe, is the fuel that keeps the engine going for an organization. Any variance in this can have a large and a significant impact on an organization. Therefore, revenue targets must be treated like an absolute non-negotiable deliverable on each of our parts. We must have strong plans in place to achieve this. In case plan A is not working, we should have a plan B and a plan C. But in no situation should we arrive at a place where we end up missing our revenue targets. We all need to have that 100% commitment towards meeting our revenue targets, and we must be committed to go that extra mile to ensure that these are met week on week, month on month, and year without any exceptions whatsoever. Because compromising on revenue targets will mean compromising on the fuel that actually runs the engine of the organization.
So meeting revenue targets for me is no different than getting your salary. So you are an employee, you get paid salary every month, and so you're able to manage your expenses at home, right? Similarly, when you're in business, you get paid revenue. So if you don't take care of if you don't get your salary, let's say, you cannot take care of your home expenses. In the same way, if the business does not get revenue, it cannot take care of its expenses. And so, for each one of us, if earning salary is important, similarly, focusing and achieving revenue targets in the business need to be equally important because they both go hand in hand. One cannot be done without the other. So it's that each one of us needs to contribute in the company earning its salary, period.
Concerned, I think one needs to, just put the right plans in place. One needs to, and so first, of course, put the right plans in place. Second, you need to work hard every single day. And I think the target will automatically be met, right? So it's all about, committing to the target, making a good plan, and just putting the hard miles, just ensuring that you work hard all the 8 hours and, taking maybe a weekly review to pause and reflect how everything went. And if you do this successfully, eventually you will hit the target. So for me, it's not something that you need to be stressed about. It's not something that you need to overly worry about. But you need to plan and you need to be willing to work hard. So yeah, that would be
the most important aspect of business. When we have money in our pocket, we feel confidence, something like that. When we bring more revenue to the company, not just company growth, we also grow along with the company, and hence the revenue become very important aspect, not just in business, in our lives also.
As an organization, we are working towards common goals and targets. Losing sight of targets would mean running around like headless chicken. Targets keep us focused and don't let us lose sight of the objective we are working towards.
So meeting revenue targets will be break the entire target into small workable pieces and then track them diligently. Don't accept the first no. We'll have to be more persistent on that. Also, we'll have to start making more use of online platforms.
So if we stay focused on our goals, we approach our target methodically and work towards it persistently and diligently, there is nothing that can stop us from overachieving our targets.
Simply put, revenue is to the company what salary is to all of us and our families. Just like how our life is quite dependent, the same way company is dependent on revenue. Without our salaries not coming on time, we know how it impacts. So just imagine what organization faces when this happens to impact.
I think meeting targets for the company, may it be the inception targets or the revenue targets, are very, very critical. This is critical for the growth of the organization, and it is equally linked to the growth of an individual in the organization. This has a direct implication on an individual's professional and personal growth. a company can only grow if it is able to meet or achieve the financial targets that it has set. So it's important for everyone to realize the importance of meeting that target, and we should just be focused and deliver quality in all that we do.